The Enforcement Directorate on Wednesday conducted searches against Ashok Kumar Mittal, who recently replaced Raghav Chadha in the Rajya Sabha, along with educational institutions promoted by him and his family in Punjab and Haryana in connection with a Foreign Exchange Management Act probe. According to officials, around 10 locations in Jalandhar nearby areas and Gurugram were covered under the provisions of the Foreign Exchange Management Act. The searches included the premises of Lovely Professional University in Kapurthala district as well as two linked institutions, Tetr College of Business and Masters Union College of Business, located in Gurugram. Officials said the Enforcement Directorate is examining certain overseas financial transactions linked to these educational institutions as part of the investigation. Mittal was recently appointed as Deputy Leader of the Aam Aadmi Party in the Rajya Sabha, replacing Raghav Chadha. His son Pratham Mittal is the founder of the Gurugram-based educational institutions under scrutiny. Meanwhile, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann strongly condemned the ED raids, alleging that the Bharatiya Janata Party is preparing for the upcoming Punjab Assembly elections by targeting opposition leaders. In response, Punjab BJP leaders countered the allegation and claimed that the Aam Aadmi Party is a party of thieves and robbers, escalating the political war of words over the raids.